I am excited to announce a comprehensive lecture series designed to unravel the complexities of dynamic meteorology using the foundational text Midlatitude Atmospheric Dynamics, a first course by Jonathan E. Martin. Originally introduced to this challenging text during my sophomore year at California University of Pennsylvania, now Penn West University, I remember the countless hours of research and discussions with professors it took to fully grasp its content. Reapproaching the book with enriched understanding of atmospheric dynamics, I aim to make the text more accessible to students embarking on their own journey through complexities of mid-latitude weather systems. This series will delve into core concepts, break down intricate topics, and offer practical insights to bring clarity to Martin's work. While the material can seem daunting at first, I believe that with patience and structured guidance, it will become a rewarding and invaluable resource. Join me in exploring this vital area of meteorology, and let's turn the challenge of understanding mid-latitude atmospheric dynamics into an engaging and worthwhile pursuit. Thank you for being part of this journey.